Okay guys, this strategy actually made me over $5,000 within the last few weeks, okay, and I'm going to share it with you right here in this video so that you get to know how to go about it, okay. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Feel free to drop your message down there in the comment section, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay. So right here, this is Ganex 800. I'm on 1 hour time frame. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. This actually started the movement right from this resistance zone. It started right from this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it gave us an entry point at this point when it sold. You can see it right from there. It sold till the very last point, okay, which happened to be this point, okay. You can see we also had the same movement at this point, okay. So that is so unique, okay. So after making so much money right from the resistance zone down there to the support zone, this are actually giving us an information that this has oversold already, so there should be a change in direction of the trend. So what should we do? We close our trade at this point, and of course we now see what will happen right from there. If you to break out below this support zone or not. If it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will change the direction of the trend. And of course, you can see it gave us an assurance that it's going to change the direction of the trend. First, because of the pattern made here. Second, because it went above this moving average, okay. So right there, it gave us an opportunity to come in at this point, and we put our stop loss somewhere here, okay. This time around, we are trading spikes, okay. We are trading spikes in Ganex 800. Remember, we are on 1 hour time frame, okay. So check it out. Check out spikes trading on 1 hour time frame. You can see it's right from here till this very moment buying, okay. So that's so amazing, guys. And of course, this also gave us the assurance that it's going to buy for a very long time. And when it gets to this region, we realize that it has overbought also, so it should be getting ready to sell, okay. So we had to wait for it in order to give us more assurance that it's going to sell. So what do we need to do? We need to make sure that it does not break out above this, because once it breaks out above that, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it will go back into a downtrend, okay. And since we've gotten the confirmation from here, all we just need to do is just for us to check out the entry point so that we can go into it, okay. So we got this chart pattern right here. So this means that it is forming a M, and of course it means that it's going to sell for long. So we came in at this point when it went a little bit below the moving average, and of course it sold. Check it out, guys. This is beautiful, guys. It sold till it got to this support zone, and at this point it has shown that it has oversold also, and it has gotten to the support zone. So we expect a change in direction of the market right now. I also posted this within the Telegram platform, and of course after milking this within the Telegram platform, so I yesterday I posted there that we should be getting ready for a buy signal, okay. So right now the buy signal is popping up, and if you should notice, it is giving us an entry point again to buy, okay, since it is not breaking out below the support zone. So we are most likely to see a very long buying opportunity, because here at this point it will be considering the bigger pattern of W, okay, the bigger pattern of W, okay. So which means it's going to buy till it gets to somewhere here or here, okay. So that is it. So this is going to be a long buying opportunity for every one of us. For those of you who are willing to trade the spikes, this is an opportunity for you. Don't miss out from here, okay. I will give us more updates on this. If you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. If you love this video, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.